Julius Mkhwanazi is a suspended Deputy Chief of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department, known as the EMPD. Now, he has been accused of running a rogue unit within the department, and here's a breakdown of his rise to power and the allegations against him. Now, Mkhwanazi, appointed as an acting chief of police, was deemed unauthorized by Rivo Spies. Now, Rivo Spies is a retired EMPD deputy chief. Mkhwanazi allegedly refused to be vetted and claiming exemption, and oversaw the collapse of accountability within the EMPD. Now, these are the allegations against Julius Mkhwanazi. Now, Mkhwanazi is accused of misrepresenting himself as acting chief of police and fabricating an agreement with the businessman Uvusmuzi Ket Matlala's security company, Ket VIP Services. Now, he allegedly promoted unqualified officers, including a junior traffic official, to brigadier level, and allowed civilians to participate in policing duties. Now, Mkhwanazi is linked to a murder case where officers under his command allegedly cleaned up the crime scene and dumped the body in a dam. Now, the former city manager, Imogen Mshazi, is accused of shielding Mkhwanazi from accountability, with allegations of her attempting to protect him from disciplinary actions. And also, the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry has been investigating these allegations, and Mkhwanazi has been suspended pending disciplinary proceedings. Now, the commission has also exposed systematic failures in the EMPD recruitment and oversight, with over 300 serving officers having criminal records.